Hey, Divi Nation, thanks for dropping by our documentation to learn all about one of my favorite features of Divi that's sort of tucked away, Divi's Mega Menu feature. And this feature, if you add it to your website, can really elevate the design with really minimal effort. So we're going to walk you through exactly how to do that and, of course, show you how to stylize and customize that as well. So check it out.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create mega menus in Divi. Mega menus are a great way to enhance the user experience when they're navigating your site using your navigation bar, so that whenever they hover over a certain menu item, they will be able to see a whole lot more links all at once without them having to hover over each one and try to remember where they are in your navigation menu. A good way to think of mega menus is that they are submenus within submenus. Let me go ahead and show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and edit this menu that I've created here. And to do that, I'm going to go to WordPress dashboard and go to our menus page. To find it, you go to appearance and then menus. Once there, you're going to either create your own menu or edit the menu that you currently have. In this case, you can see that I have all my links for my menu on display here, ready for me to edit. And I have a couple of sub items underneath these parent items here. So what I want to do now to make my mega menu is I want to put all 4 groups of links here underneath this one main parent mega menu item here called our products. To do that, I'm just going to slide it over one level. I'm going to do that for each one of these parent links so that they now become sub-parent links within this main parent link. So now I have a main parent link, a sub-parent link, and then some sub-items underneath this one. So now it's a way to organize all of my links underneath one main one. So let's go ahead and see what we have so far. Let's go over to our live site and refresh. This isn't a mega menu yet, but I just wanted to show you what we have so far. As you can see, we have our main parent link and our sub-parent links, each with their sub-items. Now to turn this into a mega menu so that we can see all of these things at once, go back to our menus page and we're going to add a CSS class. In order to have the ability to add CSS classes to our menu items, we're going to need to click this button up here to toggle open our screen options and then make sure CSS classes is selected. Once you've done that, open up your link that you want to turn into a main mega menu link, and then go ahead and put in the CSS class mega dash menu. Once you've done that, click save. Now when I go back to the live site and refresh and hover over our main menu item here, you can see now we have a mega menu. Your mega menus will always be in a 4-column setup, so keep that in mind whenever you're adding your menu links here. And that's it. That is how easy it is to create mega menus in Divi.